Welcome back to our channel, where we explore groundbreaking technologies and their potential impact on various industries. Today, we delve into the fascinating world of blockchain technology. Join us as we uncover the core concepts, benefits, and challenges of this foundational technology and decentralized ledgers. So, let's get started. Understanding blockchain technology. To truly grasp the potential of blockchain technology, we first need to understand its fundamentals. At its core, blockchain is a decentralized digital ledger that records and verifies transactions across multiple computers or nodes. Each transaction added to the blockchain forms a block and is linked to previous blocks, forming an immutable chain of data. This distributed nature ensures transparency, security, and tamper resistance. The key components. Now let's explore the key elements that make blockchain technology so powerful. Firstly, cryptographic hashing algorithms ensure the integrity and security of data within each block. Additionally, consensus mechanisms such as proof of work or proof of stake enable agreement among network participants on the validity of transactions. Lastly, the decentralized nature of blockchain mitigates the risk of a single point of failure, making it a highly resilient system. Advantages of blockchain technology. With an understanding of the core components, let's dive into the advantages that make blockchain technology highly appealing. Firstly, transparency ensures that all participants can access and verify the recorded transactions, eliminating the need for blind trust. Secondly, the decentralized nature reduces the dependency on intermediaries, thus streamlining processes and cutting costs. Thirdly, the immutability of data prevents unauthorized alterations, promoting trust in the system. Promising use cases. Now that we appreciate the benefits, let's explore some real-world use cases where blockchain technology is being leveraged. In the financial industry, blockchain facilitates fast and secure cross-border transactions, potentially revolutionizing the outdated systems currently in place. Moreover, blockchain is being explored in supply chain management, ensuring transparency and traceability throughout the entire process. Healthcare, voting systems, and intellectual property management are other domains where blockchain revolutionizes traditional practices. Limitations and challenges. While blockchain technology holds immense potential, it also presents certain limitations and challenges. Firstly, scalability remains an ongoing concern as the increasing number of transactions can cause network congestion. Secondly, regulations and legal frameworks struggle to keep up with the rapidly evolving technology. Additionally, energy consumption associated with consensus mechanisms like proof of work needs to be addressed for a greener, sustainable blockchain ecosystem. The future of blockchain. What lies ahead for blockchain technology? Well, the potential applications are boundless. As the technology matures, we can envision integrated blockchain systems across industries, fostering trust and efficiency in a wide range of processes. Moreover, advancements like interoperability between different blockchain networks will enhance adoption and collaboration. The future holds promise for blockchain to disrupt traditional business models, ensuring a decentralized and more equitable future. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at blockchain technology, the decentralized ledger revolution. We explored its foundational aspects, advantages, use cases, challenges, and envisioned the exciting potential it holds for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest technological advancements that shape the world around us. Until next time, keep exploring, innovating, and embracing the power of decentralization.